Let me now bring in our second guest. Joining us today, Tingog Party List Representative and Chair of the House Committee on Higher and Technical Education, Jude Asidre. Welcome to Storycon, Congressman.
Wow. Good
Magandang
afternoon.
hapon po, Ma'am Ses.
Good afternoon,
Magandang hapon
Congressman.
po, Ma'am Ami. Of course, Sec. Ronald, magandang hapon po sa lahat.
Magandang hapon.
Opo.
Okay.
Congressman, dinay po kayo ng ICI. Wala daw silang kiniklear dun sa wala daw silang kiniklear dun sa kanilang findings.
Well, nabasa niyo naman ho yung statement natin. Nabasa din naman ho natin ang statement na pinalabas ng ICI. Tama ho ICI. Sinabi po nila na wala silang finding of guilt or liability on the part of Congressman Romualdez, the former speaker, which was actually my statement as well. So hindi ko alam kung sa ano ang nire-refute doon, pero yun din naman ho ang sinabi ko sa nauna kong statement. Ito po'y bilang tugon, just to provide context, dun sa unang sinabi ni Congressman Toby Chanco na merong recommendation to file cases of plunder. At mabuti na lang ho na mismong ICI na ngayon ang nagklaro by their subsequent clarification na wala silang ganung findings but nirecommend nila for further investigation.
Actually, ang takbo kasi, pareho kayo ni Toby Chanco. Si Toby Chanco sabi niya merong liability, kayo sabi niyo clear. Ang sabi po ng ICI, wala naman daw silang ganon, kiniklear or ang sabi nila, ang rekomendasyon nila sa ombudsman is for further investigation ng mga kung sino-sinong mga personalities na in-interview nila.
Miss Ami, ang sinabi ho ko sa statement ko, binasa ko lang ho yung language mismo ng ICI mula doon sa original nilang referral. Sabi doon, we found, I'm trying to get the copy of the, ang sabi nila doon na we found no finding. So, sabi nila, we issued without any finding or conclusion of guilt or liability. Yun lang ho ang sinabi ko. That is in answer to the statement ni Congressman Chanco na sinasabi niya na nag-recommend ng filing of cases of plunder ang ICI. I hope wala akong nadagdag sa statement ko. Klaro ko po ang sinabi ko. Sabi ko, eto, verbatim from my original statement. The ICI referral itself, signed by the retired Supreme Court Justice Andres Reyes, explicitly state the referral is issued without any finding of or conclusion of guilt or liability on the part of former Speaker Martin Romualdez. The same statement was reiterated in the press release that was issued yesterday. The statements in the referral clearly shows that the ICI did not make a determination of innocence or guilt on the part of former Speaker Romualdez.
Pero
consistent po ako sa statement ko.
Pero Congressman, it doesn't necessarily mean he was cleared.
Well, ako, based on my statement, is that there was no determination of guilt or liability. Whether that amounts to however it's interpreted, I simply read into the language. And, you know, we have to put in context the statement where it came from. Diba? It was in response to the accusation that charges of plunder, there was a recommendation to file cases of plunder, which in this case, the ICI itself has confirmed that they did not.
Congressman, nakakuha ba kayo ng advance copy ng Kasi matagal na media nang hihingi ng kopya ng report na yon eh.
Hindi ma'am.
Pareho kayo ni Congressman Chanco, may advance.
Ma'am, yung kopya ng ICI referral, alam niyo kung saan ko nakita? Sa philstart.com, what posted way back in November. In fact,
yung original yon. Yung original, hindi yung final.
Ayun po.
Hindi yun yung final report sa ombudsman.
Hindi, yung nakita ko, yung pinost ng philstar.com was the same document that I quoted from, that was issued by the ICI itself as a referral to the ombudsman.
Kasalanan talaga ng Philippine Star yan.
So,
Ngayon
kaya
ba,
ako,
bumabalik sa'yo,
actually,
Ami?
I was asking,
Hindi, kasi hinihingi namin ng kopya. No, yung actual na binigay sa ombudsman, humihingi kami ng kopya eh. Wala kaming kopya nun eh. Yung actual na dokumento.
oo. Miss Ami, actually nagtataka din ako kasi doon sa article sa Philstar, sinabi doon na they don't know how I came about with the document, yung referral. I said I simply quoted the document that was posted by Philstar way back in November.
Di November pa pala.
Pero
Baka
ano kaya
nagbago.
nga, hindi
Oo.
yung sinubmit sa... Kasi yung sa ombudsman ang kapal-kapal eh.
Oo. Baka iba
Kaya
yung...
wala
That
kaming
included
nababasang
the
ganon
annexes,
eh.
I think, Miss Ami, it included the annexes, but the referral itself
Oo.
included the 2-page document that was posted in Philstar.com.
Actually,
in
it was
your
earlier.
November.
It was released
Noong
earlier.
November.
It was released earlier than November.
November pa, last year pa.
Hindi yan yung final report na binigay sa ombudsman.
No, it doesn't come from that final
Oo.
report. It was
Hindi
an
yun yun.
earlier referral.
Oo.
I remember this was way back before pa.
Yeah. Kasi merong yun yung...
What could
Hindi
it
namin
have
alam kung ano
changed ba?
sinasabi ngayon ng
Parehas
ng
lang.
ICI.
Wala
kasi
namang nag-meeting
may sinubmit
na.
sila sa ombudsman eh. Yun yung hinihingi namin na hanggang ngayon, kahit ang ombudsman, hindi nire-release.
Pero Ami,
Ako,
Hindi namin.
pero Ami, parehas yung
Ako I
statement eh.
only refer to the document na present
Yeah.
na posted doon last November of last year pa.
Saka
Yeah, so November yun, no?
practically parehas lang eh. Na neither...
Hindi ko alam eh. I wouldn't know.
Oh, dahil ang sinabi lang naman nila last year at saka yesterday ay wala silang sinasabi na guilty or innocent conclusion. Yun din ang sinabi last year.
And then, hindi na nagkaroon ng hearing after last year, di ba?
Baka kinausap ni Chairman Andy yung sarili niya. Dahil wala na siya kasama eh.
Kaya nga, walang kiniklear. Kasi ang statement nila, hindi daw sila pwede mag-clear kasi wala daw sa mandate nila na to determine criminal liability. Kaya findings lang yung sinubmit nila. And findings at bahala na ombudsman to determine kung sino yung liable. We're using the term liable.
Medyo weird yun, Ami, dahil yung purpose ng ICI para mag-recommend eh. Diba? Kaya tinayo
Hindi,
yung
yun ang
ICI
statement nga nila sa ICI ngayon.
That was the
Yun
purpose
ang sinabi ni Andres Reyes.
Yeah. The purpose of the ICI was to recommend based sa kanilang investigation. Eh nung nawala na yung mga members, siguro,
Kaya nga.
ang kailangan na lang ng mundo, sabi nga ni Justice Andy, ay what the world needs now is love.
Kaya nga. Kaya hindi natin alam ngayon yan. O
Nakita
isa
mo ba
na lang,
yun?
makikichismis pa ako.
Nakita mo ba yung session placard?
Alin?
Nilabas ni Andy na what the world needs now is love.
Alam mo, ano na mangyayari ngayon sa flood control scandal
Oo
na
nga.
yan? Ano na?
Gusto mo bang sagutin ko yan?
Hindi, actually, Congressman,
O, rhetorical
makikichismis.
Yes po,
Rhetorical
yes
yung
po.
tanong mo o gusto mo talaga ng sagot?
Gusto ko ng sagot. Sige, mamaya.
Congressman,
Ang hirap
may
naman
ano,
si
may-
Congressman
may-
nandiyan dyan.
may-
Congressman, may mga kumakalat na chismis sa House na baka daw magkaroon na naman ng leadership change. Ano ba yung
Alam mo,
mga ugong-ugong na yun?
wala ho ako naririnig. Actually, kami sa party list just before nag-end ng session, we met with the speaker, with Speaker
Yeah.
Bodji. And part of that meeting was to reiterate our support for the speaker. Alam mo, siguro sa dami ng problema ng bansa natin ngayon, at sa dami ng kailangan I don't think a change in leadership is on mind ngayon, no? We're really focused on the ahead. Considering na sobrang tagal na kailangang ihabol lalo yung mga priority legislation at ito pang situation natin sa ngayon. At maliban din doon, syempre yung kagustuhan natin na that we fulfill the mandate of upholding the
Alam ko
Baka
rin,
dapat si Ronald ang chismisin ko, Ronald.
alam ko rin, Ami, wala. Siyempre, laging may gustong...
Ayan.
Wala kaming naririnig na gano'n na isa amin.
Siyempre, laging may gustong maging speaker. Pero alam ko, for now,
No
ay
active, ano?
hanggang sa next SONA, wala.
Okay.
Fearless forecast ba
Meron na
yan?
naman kasi.
Pero Congressman, etong 'di ba,
Yes, po,
kayo
ma'am.
ba, ano bang paniniwala niyo? Tayo ba ay nasa krisis o hindi? Ba't
Honestly, all you have to do is to line up at a gasoline station. Alam mong hindi normal ang presyo ng gasolina. At
So-
you know, it doesn't need an expert to really determine na may kailangan tayong haraping problema sa ngayon.
So, abnormal siya, hindi siya crisis.
Okay, so Congressman, sige, sagutin niyo muna
Yes,
po.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But it's very, very far from a normal situation. Whether we call it a crisis or not, I don't think that will solve it anyway. As long as we are focused and we're really determined to come up with a solution. However we call the situation.
So, okay. Meron bang balak ang kapulungan ng Kongreso na mag-call ng special session kung kinakailangan? Kasi parang kulang na sa pondo yung ibibigay na fuel subsidy, and if ever man na aalisin na yung excise tax, kulang pa rin. Hindi po ba kayo kailangan ng supplemental budget para mag-identify ng mga pondo na kailangan pagkunan?
Dagdag lang sa tanong ni Ses, Congressman, wala ba diyang feelers na nagsasuggest na magpatawag, na bigyan ng emergency powers yung Presidente? Kahit feelers lang, kahit hindi official.
Well, first, with regards to the emergency powers, I think the openness ng mga kongresista doon sa emergency powers with regards to the removal of the excise tax is already an opening. Kumbaga, habang lumalaki yung problema, I think we're all open with appropriate measures, including providing additional emergency powers as the need may be, like price control kung kakailanganin man, or supply control kung ano man ang makakabuti. Second, we understand the gravity and the urgency of the situation. Pero unfortunately, Ma'am Ses, hindi ko kami pwedeng magpatawag ng special session by ourselves. Kailangan ang palasyo ang magpatawag ang presidente ang magpatawag ng special session. Although sa ngayon naman, tuloy-tuloy ang monitoring, tuloy-tuloy ang consultations, even kami, kanya-kanyang komite, we're all looking at how it will affect. Like ako sa higher education, considering na may natatabi pa tayong ilang buwan for our colleges and universities sa may eskwela, talagang minomonitor natin ang epekto nito. At hindi lang doon tayo nakatutok, talagang hinahanapan natin ng paraan. Like for example, how do we do remote classes in case lang magtuloy-tuloy ang problema nito.
Mahirap talaga humingi ng emergency powers kung tingin mo walang emergency eh.
Oo nga. Sa tingin nyo, Congressman, kasi yung ibang senador, sabi nila, the government should declare an oil crisis, quote-unquote. Do you agree with that?
Well,
Kailangan daw mag-declare ang gobyerno.
However, for me kasi, Ma'am Ami, I don't want to be boxed into whether we call it a state of emergency or state of oil crisis. There is a problem. Nobody can deny that kung ang presyo ng gasolina nasa 120 per liter na, may problema nga talaga tayo. Ako mas nakatun ako dun sa solusyon. Anong pwede nating gawin? Hindi naman pwedeng naka-antay lang tayo for things to get worse, no? So, like
Exactly,
for example, nung hiningi sa amin na ipasa yung pagbabago, emergency powers sa pag-suspend ng excise tax, we passed it immediately. Nung hiningi yung biofuels amendment, pinasa din natin kaagad. Actually, kami sa Tingog Party List, consistent kami ever since we've been pushing for the removal of excise tax, even before the emergency happened. So, ito lahat ng mga measures na pinupush natin, Kasi alam natin gaano ka-critical to in terms of, for example, logistics, in terms of energy requirements. At kailangan ngayon, ang pinag-uusapan, hindi siguro kung may crisis ba tayo, hindi talaga may problema. Ano ang solusyon? Diba? How do we secure alternate
Okay ba sa
supply?
inyo? Congressman, yung ibang senador gusto nila babaan or completely scrap yung value-added tax sa fuel. Okay ba sa inyo yun?
Ako, I
Kasi mas malaki yun
perfectly support that. I perfectly support that. And consistent kami doon ever since, even before the crisis, that we need to review the tax structure natin pagdating sa fuels, including electricity.
Mas malakas ang impact nun. Dahil
12% yun.
No.
lahat ng consumers ay makakahinga ng kaunti.
And ever-
Pero Congressman,
ever since
wag nyo na lang tawagin
Yes, po.
state of emergency or state of crisis. Tawagin nyo na lang state ... Diba? Para walang away. Parang fourth wheel.
Nabanggit mo yung fourth wheel.
nakakaawa.
Hindi kasi, parang kung hindi, if you don't recognize the problem, paano nga kayo magkakasolusyon kung hindi mo naman
Oo.
inaamin na may problema? At saka, para ang tao alam mo na, maging mas conscious.
Baka daw kasi magpanik. Ayaw nila. Baka magkaroon ng bank run, baka magkaroon ng hoarding, baka gano'n.
Wala namang pang-hoard na nga ang mga tao Hindi ba?
Congressman, bukas
Yes, po,
yung
ma'am.
isa pang issue dyan sa House, yung impeachment ni Vice President. Tuloy yung hearing bukas, hindi ba?
Tuloy po ang hearing tomorrow sa Justice Committee, ma'am.
Totoo ba yung nalibabalitaan namin, Congressman, na may numbers na?
Yan din ang isa pang yan ang balita
Depende
namin.
sa anong parte, no? Pero out of respect for the committee, I don't want to comment siguro kung ano yung numbers. Pero looks like we have the support of the majority to push through with the process.
To push through with the process. Okay.
Baka kasi lumabas ulit sa Philippine Star na may numbers na Yung Philippine Star talaga.
Iko-quote namin si Ronald doon sa ano niya.
Kaya ang lesson dyan, wag pupunta sa website ng Philippine Star.
Uy, grabe ka!
Di ba si Secretary Chu Laurel, dun, at saka si Congressman Asidre, sa Philippine Star pumupunta
Kaya nga.
Namimiss.
Hindi, kaya nga nila kino-quote ang Philippine Star kami Kasi,
Yan.
Ayun, nag-aaway-aaway tuloy sila.
unimpeachable source of news, ganun.
Uy, Philippine Star ako
Talaga ba?
May dalawa akong column doon.
Okay.
Oo nga.
Ami, may column si dyan?
Yeah. He is the political heckler of the
Hindi
Philippine
makapaniwala.
Star.
Tagalog and
Officially.
English.
Officially. Andun din siya doon sa .com.
Akala ko yung ... Congressman, panghuling salita
Yes,
na
po,
lamang po.
Well, ang request namin sa mga kababayan natin, alam naman natin may hinaharap tayong problema at krisis ngayon. I think all we need really is to cooperate. Tama ho kayo. Siyempre, panawagan natin sa administrasyon na sana'y maging mas klaro tayo kung ano talaga yung mga hakbang na kailangan nating gawin. At siyempre, kami naman sa Kongreso at kahit kami mismo, handa namang gawin ang kinakailangan para pagkaroon ng mas may holistic at may comprehensive solution sa problemang hinaharap po natin sa ngayon.
Okay pala, may isang pahabol. Meron kasi akong suggestion. May bright suggestion ako. Kung ano na lang, i-offer nyo, di ba? Medyo kulang tayo ng pondo. Kung magbawas kayo ng sahod, voluntary offer of legislators.
Ganda yun.
Well,
Di ba?
Ay, symbolic.
I don't think that's going to be a problem. Madalas naman ma'am pag may crisis, sa totoo lang, like may bagyo or may kung anong sakuna, nagbabawas po talaga kami.
Ba't hindi nyo yan isuggest? May
Pero
dalawang boto na ako.
Hindi, ang problema dyan, yung ibang congressman, pag nagbawas sila ng sahod, babawiin nila sa iba. Baka mas malaki pa.
Uy, Congressman, tama ba yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Tama, di ba? Tama, di ba?
Siyempre, hindi tama yun.
So, ilang porsyento ang willing kayong ibawas?
Ay, hindi ko po I cannot speak for the others.
No,
Pero
for
kung ako
you,
po
for you,
tatanungin,
for you.
For me, siyempre, depende ho yun sa kailangan at paano po gagamitin. And that we will be able to do. Kasi, okay.
So talagang sabi niyo, when
Ma'am-
was the last time
ma'am,
na nagawa ito, na voluntary yung...
Pag may bagyo,
Kailan po
may
yun?
lindol. Pag may bagyo, may lindol. Nagkukaan ho yan. Meron ho yung nagko-contribute po tayo, mga kongresista. From our salaries,
I'm sure,
Nade-deduct sila from our salaries.
I'm sure isasuggest ni Rep. Jude Asidre na magbawas ng 20%.
20%.
Yung mga during sa time ng dot. Dahil wala kasing crisis eh.
Because of the-
So dot. Yung state of dot. Kaya kinakailangan nila ng mag-contribute ng dot. Ang daming dot. No?
Pero may dagdag lang ho ako, Ma'am Ses, no? I think sa ngayon ang problema natin hindi necessarily yung pondo eh. Ang dapat mas klaro by now, ano yung mga hakbang? Para mas alam natin kung magkano kakailanganin natin. I think that part has not been made clear yet. Kasi kahit sabihin na namin we give up 50%
Correct.
of our salaries, to what end, di ba?
Oo nga,
Saan
syempre that's why you have to
gagamitin, di ba?
identify. Like yung 5,000
Correct.
na fuel subsidy, one time lang ba yun? Saan aabot yun? Syempre hindi yun
Correct.
enough.
Oo.
Wala naman tayong
Yes.
fiscal space. Eh.
So dapat
one shot lang.
dapat klaruhin natin kung ano talaga yung long term
Okay.
na or at least yung short term na direction natin sa pag-handle ng crisis na ito.
Ang suggestion kasi ni Ami, abolition ng oil deregulation law eh.
Ako, hindi ako nag-ano nun. Ang congressman, yung sa value added tax, you think merong suporta yan sa House? Kasi mukhang dumadami
I
yung
think-
senador na nagsusuporta eh. Yung reduction or
think
suspension ng back.
that is something worth studying, Miss Ami. In fact, may provision tayo dun may Sunday provision dun that government can actually introduce price control measures eh. In case
Dun
of
sa
emergency.
under an emergency situation.
Yes, and I'm open to
Wala nga
actually
tayo
invoking
emergency,
that.
kayo naman.
Pero ang klaro, ang klaro doon, Miss Ami, kailangan alam natin ano yung hakbangin, di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng i-demand natin to, punduhan natin to, tapos ang mangyayari lang, anong impact nun, ano yung hanggang saan lang aabutin yun.
Yeah, but
Yun yung
it
punto.
follows a declaration
For
of
me,
a
important.
state of something.
Dot.
Because
Dot.
diba?
Dapat may state of dot.
Actually,
bago
Pong, baka looking back, in retrospect, mas dapat nauna yung BAT yung IBAT kaysa dun sa excise tax.
Mas malaki yun
Mas
eh.
malaki
Kasi
yung...
mas
Mas malaki kasi yung
Malaking
VAT
VAT
eh.
eh.
Mas maraming
Actually,
makikinabang
malaking bagay sana. Yes, tama po kayo. Ako I agree with that po.
Okay.
Baka gusto niyo mag-introduce ng bill sa House. Para medyo bumilis-bilis. Hindi kasi dahil sa Senate
Actually,
meron na eh. Meron
Yung sa
ng
sahod,
malakas
hindi na kailangan ng
actually.
bill doon, yung sa sahod.
Hindi, dun sa...
Hindi, yung sa VAT.
Sa VAT.
Actually, in the 19th Congress, final na ho namin yan. Limited to fuel and power. So, we will study dito for the coming Congress kung how do we... Kasi syempre, ma'am, there are long-term fiscal implications for that.
Yeah.
We don't also want to do it carelessly naman, di ba? So, kasi every time magtatanggal tayo, alam natin kung saan tayo either magbabawas ng gastos o maghahanap ng bagong source ng pondo, ng revenue.
Pero
Okay.
basic commodity yan eh.
Okay.
Tama ko kayo, ma'am. Yes po.
So marami pong
Okay.
salamat. We thank you for your time.
Maraming salamat din po, ma'am, Mami at Sec Ronald.
Salamat,
Thank you,
Pong,
Congressman.
kahit may mga meetings ka.
That was
Okay po.
House
Thank you.
Deputy Majority Leader Jude Asidre.